Looting and plunder. Zimbabwe's Ministry of Information and Publicity embroiled in vehicle scandals. Achipere bushe mure Zimbabwe tinoona Nick Mangwana waya vachikumurwa panapa vachinzi aiwa pane mascandals kana maissues ari kutaurwa ekuti ecorruption panhau dzemavehicles. Tisapinda mashoko abuda nyogwa panapa pachinji radio nobva subscribe like turn on the bell icon. Vanyora vachiti in a shocking revelation it has come to light that Zimbabwe's Ministry of Information and Publicity led by Nick Mangwana, a staunch defender of the ruling party Zanu PF, has been involved in a dubious deal with the Solution Motors, a motor owned by Innocent Sivanda. The ministry paid for 7 Toyota double cab vehicles, but nothing was delivered. This is not the first time Solution Motors has been involved in such a scandal. 7 years ago, the Ministry of Agriculture paid $207,540 for 4 vehicles, which were never delivered. In another instance, the company was paid $518,000 to supply 10 cars, but only 5 were delivered, worth a mere $100,000. This scandal is a stark reminder of the need for accountability and transparency in government. The people of Zimbabwe deserve better than to have their hard-earned taxes squandered by those in power. It is time for Zanu PF regime to take responsibility for their action, ensure that those involved in these scandals are brought to justice. Ndomashoko ari kubuda panapa tonoti aiwa vana Nick Mangwana vari kunzi aiwa vakomana ava vari kusquander ma state funds. Tuze mafunguro enyu pene comment section medu, subscribe, like, turn on the bell.